This might sound like science fiction, but robots are already shaping your daily life. You just don't notice them yet. It's a fascinating question, and the answer is a lot more complex and exciting than you might think. We're diving deep into the future of robotics to see just how close we really are to that future. First, let's talk about what's happening right now. Robots are already a massive part of our world, just maybe not in the C3PO way you're imagining. Think about the manufacturing industry. For decades, robotic arms have been assembling everything from cars to smartphones with incredible precision and speed, working 24/7 without getting tired. These aren't just simple machines, they're equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning, allowing them to adapt to new tasks and even work alongside human colleagues safely. This is the foundation of the robotic revolution, and it's already here. Then there's the world of logistics. Ever wonder how your online order gets to you so quickly? Chances are a robot was involved. In massive warehouses, armies of autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, zip around, locating, picking, and sorting packages. They navigate complex environments, communicate with each other to avoid collisions, and optimize their routes in real time. Companies like Amazon have deployed hundreds of thousands of these robots, completely transforming the speed and efficiency of e-commerce. It's a silent, unseen robotic workforce that powers our modern convenience. But let's move beyond the factory and warehouse. Robots are starting to step into our daily lives in more personal ways. Take healthcare. Surgical robots like the Da Vinci system allow surgeons to perform incredibly complex, minimally invasive procedures with greater precision than the human hand alone. This means smaller incisions, less pain, and faster recovery times for patients. Beyond the operating room, we're seeing companion robots designed to assist the elderly, providing reminders for medication, helping with daily tasks, and even offering social interaction to combat loneliness. These robots are not just tools, they're becoming partners in care. And of course, we can't talk about robots without mentioning self-driving cars. This is where artificial intelligence and robotics merge in a truly spectacular way. Companies like Waymo and Cruise are already operating fully autonomous taxi services in some cities. These vehicles use a sophisticated suite of sensors, LiDAR, radar, cameras, to perceive the world around them, predict the behavior of other drivers and pedestrians, and make split-second decisions. While a world where every car is self-driving is still a ways off, the technology is advancing at an astonishing rate, promising to make our roads safer and our commutes more productive. So, with all this progress, where are the humanoid robots? The ones that can walk, talk, and help out around the house? This is where things get really exciting. Companies like Boston Dynamics have been making waves with their incredibly agile robots like Atlas, which can run, jump, and even do backflips. While these are currently research platforms, they demonstrate that the physical capabilities are getting there. The real challenge is the brain, the AI needed to understand the complexities of the human world. A robot needs to be able to tell the difference between a teacup it should pick up gently and a door it needs to push firmly. It needs to understand context, social cues, and unstructured environments. This is where the development of advanced AI, particularly large language models and general intelligence, comes in. Think about ChatGPT, but with a body. Tesla's Optimus project and Figure AI's robot are prime examples of this new direction. Their goal is to create general-purpose humanoid robots that can learn new tasks just by watching humans, or by being told what to do in plain language. Imagine a robot you could ask to tidy up the living room. It would need to identify what's out of place, understand where things belong, and manipulate a huge variety of objects safely. We are seeing the first glimmers of this capability now. These robots are beginning to learn tasks in a few hours that would have previously taken months of specific programming. So, what are the major hurdles we still need to overcome? First, energy. Keeping a complex, mobile robot powered for a full day is a huge challenge. Battery technology needs to get lighter, more powerful, and faster to charge. Second is cost. The components for these advanced robots are still incredibly expensive, putting them out of reach for most applications. But just like computers and smartphones, costs will come down with mass production. The third and perhaps biggest hurdle is safety and social acceptance. How do we ensure these robots can operate safely around people, especially in unpredictable public spaces? And how do we as a society adapt to having intelligent, autonomous machines as part of our daily lives? These aren't just technical questions, they're ethical and philosophical ones we need to start discussing now. Looking ahead 10 to 20 years, what can we realistically expect? We'll likely see a massive expansion of specialized robots. Autonomous drones delivering packages, robotic chefs in commercial kitchens, and advanced robotic assistants in hospitals and nursing homes will become commonplace. The first generation of general-purpose humanoid robots will likely start appearing in controlled environments, like warehouses and factories, performing tasks that are dangerous or physically demanding for humans. They'll be our new colleagues, working alongside us. As for a robot in every home, that's probably a bit further down the line, maybe 30 to 50 years. But the building blocks are being laid today. The convergence of mechanical engineering, advanced sensors, and breakthrough AI is creating an unprecedented wave of innovation. The future isn't about a robotic uprising, it's about a robotic partnership. It's about creating tools that can augment human capabilities, free us from dull, dirty, and dangerous work, and help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from caring for an aging population to exploring new frontiers. The journey to our robotic future is a marathon, not a sprint. But make no mistake, we are well on our way. The progress we're witnessing today is truly mind-blowing, and the next decade is going to be one of the most transformative periods in human history. What do you think will be the first mainstream use of a humanoid robot? Let me know in the comments below.